Hi, I'm Eli Yamin, Head of Instruction for the Middle School Jazz Academy. Welcome to the Jazz Academy. Today I'm joined by Tom Dempsey on guitar, Ari Roland bass, and Alvin Atkinson on the drums. Now, Mr. Atkinson, I'd love you to tell us a little bit about what you do with your left hand and how you develop rhythmic independence.
So today we're going to talk about developing independence by playing the melody in your left hand.
Okay.
So I'll be playing the ride cymbal.
All right.
And playing the melody in my left.
Fantastic.
To develop a sense of independence.
Oh, beautiful.
I'll give you a quick example.
Great.
Let's use Billy Strayhorn's H rate.
Fantastic.
So I'll just do the first two A's.
Okay.
1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
I bet you that's really hard sometimes for students just starting out. Are there certain things they should think of when they're doing
Well,
this?
it can be a bit complicated. I would suggest to most students to start off with just the quarter note.
Okay.
So maybe, can I get the bass to join me on this one? So he'll play quarter notes on the ride.
Yeah.
And one good way to develop this is connecting with the bass. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
I see. So now you're just playing the dang, 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 and leaving the dang, 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 dang.
Yes.
So you get that quarter note strong, and then you add the dangs back?
Yes. And one thing, if you'll notice, I'm watching the bass player. The bass player's right hand, that allows me to kind of have an assessment of where the time is. So if you have a good solid bass, so it's like a human metronome, essentially. So when he plays that pulse, it allows me to see if I'm dragging or rushing the beat.
Beautiful. Well, let's try maybe with the whole band. Would that be all right? We'll play through the
Sure.
whole song.